Overview on the French research tax credit.
In France, the aim of research tax credit is to support R&D activities. Companies which engage R&D expenses may benefit from the RTC that can be used to pay its corporate income tax or reimbursed. The activities covered are research and development, meaning fundamental research, applied research, or experimental development. To be eligible, expenses must correspond to research operations located within the European Economic Area, and the company has to be liable to corporate income tax in France. The main eligible expenses are the following. 1. Depreciation of fixed assets, created or acquired new and immediately used for scientific and technical research operations. 2. Staff costs for researchers and research technicians with a specific bonus for young doctors. 3. The operating expenses at a forfeit rate of 75% of depreciation allowances and 43% for staff costs. 4. The research expenses subcontract to public research entities, approved private research organizations, and approved experts. Public grants received for eligible research projects have to be deducted from the eligible expenses. However, reimbursable grants are added to the calculation basis the year they are reimbursed. Since 2013, the research tax credit have been extended to cover certain innovation investments by small and medium-sized companies. This relates to design prototypes for new products not yet on the market or which have superior features. A written documentation has to be established to support the projects and to justify the eligibility to the RTC. In cases of any doubt, the company can ask the French tax administrations to check if the research project meets the requirements to be eligible.
How to calculate the research tax credit? The tax credit rate for research and development is 30% of eligible expenses up to 100 million euros per year and 5% over this limit. The tax credit rate for innovation is 20% of the eligible expenses, up to a maximum of 400,000 euros per year. How to use the research tax credit? To benefit from the research tax credit, the French entity must submit a separate appendix to its annual corporate income tax return. The research tax credit is deducted from corporate income tax due by the company the year it occurs, or the 3 following years, before being refunded if not used after this period. It is immediately refundable for small and medium-sized enterprises or young innovative companies. With the research tax credit, France is a very attractive country willing to attract brains and offering one of the most interesting tax advantages compared to the other European countries.